Goal of NSTP. The National Service Training Program aims for the transformation of our youth into responsible citizens. This means embodying values like being God-fearing, patriotic, human, and environmentally conscious. Ultimately, it's about fostering both local and national development. Think of it as shaping us to be active and positive contributors to our society. Our university, SLSU, has clear vision for NSTP in alignment with SLSU's commitment to excellence, innovation, and societal transformation. The NSTP office strives to be a leading center for civic consciousness and defense preparedness. This includes promoting service, patriotism, and community development among the youth. Essentially, they want to empower us to be leaders in community service. To achieve the vision, the mission of the SLSU NSTP office is to develop well-rounded, socially responsible, and patriotic individuals. This is done through comprehensive training programs that enhance civic consciousness, defense preparedness, and active participation in community service and public affairs. It's about instilling values like patriotism, nationalism, and volunteerism, while fostering our physical, moral, spiritual, intellectual, and social well-being. Now, let's look at the general objectives that guide NSTP. There are 5 key points here. 1. To cultivate a deep sense of civic consciousness and patriotism among us. 2. To enhance our engagement in community service and development projects. 3. To prepare us national defense and emergency preparedness. 4. To develop a well-trained, organized, and motivated pool of individuals. 5. To equip us with skills and knowledge for lifelong learners, critical thinking, and active participation in national development. More specifically for CWTs, we have 3 core objectives. Engage students in projects that enhance community welfare. This means focusing on areas like health, education, environment, entrepreneurship, safety, recreation, and social services. Apply academic knowledge to real-world community challenges. We'll be fostering practical skills and civic responsibility. Build partnerships with local organizations and communities. This will help us identify needs and implement impactful projects. These objectives really highlight that CWT is about putting our learning into action and working together to improve our communities. The program outcomes for graduates of NSTP are quite comprehensive. You'll exhibit a strong sense of civic duty, actively participate in community initiatives, and display a deep commitment to national pride and patriotism. Effectively engage in community service and development projects, applying your knowledge and skills to address societal challenges. You'll be equipped with the necessary skills to respond effectively to national defense requirements and emergencies. You'll be well trained, organized, and motivated, capable of working collaboratively. And you'll be engaged in lifelong learning, critical thinking, and actively participating in initiatives that promote national development. These are significant takeaways that will benefit you for beyond this course. Now, let's talk about the program of activities for the second semester. The orientation file outlines several key activities under specific objectives. The main objective here is to deliver an efficient program and provide us with an overview of NSTP, the course's purpose, and how major assignments and assessments will be conducted. This is essentially what we're doing right now, getting everyone on the same page. This activity aims to help us explore the concepts of principles of community immersion, understand the benefits for the community and ourselves, and prepare for effective implementation. We'll also be discussing and presenting our activity proposals, gathering feedback, and adjusting our plans. This is where we start planning our actual involvement in the community. And finally, the most hands-on part, the conduct of the community immersion itself. This is where we'll implement our plans, collaborate with community members, evaluate our progress, and reflect on the outcomes. The objectives here are to put our plans into action, build strong working relationships, problem solve as we go, and critically assess the impact of our efforts. This is where all our preparation culminates into real-world experience. As you can see, CWTS2 is a well-structured program designed to equip you with practical skills and a strong sense of civic responsibility. It's an opportunity to step out of the classroom, engage with real community issues, and contribute positively to society. Remember to actively participate, ask questions, and embrace the challenges. The more you put into this program, the more you'll get out of it, both in terms of personal growth and making a tangible impact.